What you want me to do? I'm sorry.
Woo! You're pushing me out like, go now, go now. Hey, hey. Oh, woo, woo. Okay, what is it? What is it?
They want to play.
What is it? I'm back.
Some live effect.
Reach. What's up, man?
I'm good. I'm good.
Thanks for pushing me.
No, you don't know. Every now and then you have to get out the comfort zone. So that's what I was doing. I was helping you out.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Even though you were far behind me, and then all of a sudden I just feel you.
Hey.
Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday, and as you heard Jay-Z said, I'm back. So I don't have to ask you if you missed me.
You don't.
Right. I shouldn't even have to question it.
No.
Because the answer is going to be
extremely. You can't say,
You can't say
I missed you a lot. Yeah, I can't extremely miss you.
I missed you too.
I did miss you though. I did miss you.
I'm gonna cry. All right, so due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have our usual studio audience. It won't happen for a while, but our audience at home would love it if you'd still participate with us. So what you can do is send us a video or a photo of you with a family member or friend watching Daytime Live, then post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live, then tag us on your IG stories and we'll show it right here during the live show. Instagram, you can tag us when you post the pictures, but don't DM us, okay?
Tell them all the time.
Okay, tell them all the time?
So from Facebook today, we have these photos though. The first one is from the general. Is Nisha and boyfriend still? So I don't know how, I didn't make up in mind. So this is Kemar Froscodon Bennett. I didn't say, well, Nisha and caught the kiss, but she didn't catch the pic. So big up yourself every time. And him said, big up to Duffy too.
Then we have, we don't have a course. So it's, but he always sends two pictures, doesn't he?
Kemar, no man, no Kemar. Kemar, him send two pictures
always,
sometimes.
Yeah man, sometimes him have a thing where him send two
not
pictures.
He's not going to leave you. Because he send big up Duffy at the end.
Right, big up Duffy at the end.
Yeah,
always so, I appreciate that about him. But then we have Charla Williams. And Charla actually has two pictures. Hello, Charla.
Hey, Charla, what's up?
Yeah, Nisha and Duffy. So that means for Tuesday's show, we're supposed to only see Craigie T and Saniq, right? Like more pictures, wholly more. True, just because.
I don't know what this competition thing would have going on. I don't know. It's food.
I don't know about that. No,
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
All right, guys, don't forget to connect with us. You can use our social media options. We have IG, we have Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live and Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
And remember that you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com or on YouTube. Just search for Daytime Live TVJ. All right, on that note, let's get buzzing.
Yes, so one of the big things happening now, votes for the U.S. presidential election continue to be tallied and mail-in ballots are being counted. So Rihanna, she's reminding Americans that you can't rush democracy, which is true. So the artist shared a simple tweet amid one of the tensest U.S. elections in recent history to call against rushing the process of vote counting. And she actually said, count every vote. She tweeted this to her near 100 million followers on the social platform, and she continued with, we'll wait. She doubled down on the message on IG, posting via a series of 6 photos. She's really serious about it.
Yeah, she's serious. So Rihanna, though, has long been a vocal critic of incumbent President Donald Trump. She's previously branded him the most mentally ill person in America. Her comment about counting votes came as Trump pushed for legitimate votes to be ignored in states where he holds a lead over Democratic candidate Joe Biden. And he launched a legal action to disrupt the counting process. You know, Trump's style already.
Yeah, I mean, the truth is, Trump isn't doing anything outside of his character. Yeah, that's Trump.
Expected.
It's expected. He's going to kick and scream, and you're probably going to have to drag him out of that White House. But that's Trump.
Yeah.
It's expected.
Yeah. It means a show off when I'm not a good, I'm not a great loser.
Yes,
He's not a good loser.
Not a great loser. He's a kid on the
I didn't even lose yet. But because he's behind, him get mad. But I must commend Rihanna though. I like the fact that she did that. I mean, it's important right now to make sure that everybody's vote is counted.
Yeah.
It's very important because I mean this is a controversial election. You know what I mean? A lot of people want to get out. A lot of people want to stay in the situation that they're in. So I mean it's tricky.
It's tricky. It's tricky. This is gonna be one for the history books. Very, very tricky.
And it must affect everybody that has interactions with the United States too. So Caribbean countries, including Jamaica, it will affect us. Even though sometimes you might say, boy, I'm not really business. Come here, I'm in a bit.
Some of it is indirect. But I can understand when you look at how it can directly affect us as Jamaica, then definitely something you want to follow and try to understand. Unfortunately, we can't do nothing about it. We could do a thing, but can't do a thing.
You never know. Sorry about that. There are people.
Don't say that out loud.
All right. So speaking of the counts, though, as America and the world wait on either Joe Biden or Donald Trump to reach the 270 electoral votes for the days, you have memes that pop up. You know what I mean? So you don't know how the meme thing go already. So we're going to take a little look at a few of the memes that have surfaced since the elections have started.
All right. So, oh, wow.
You must count 1 vote, 2 votes.
Count Dracula. What's this? Nevada.
Man.
Wow. No.
So what they're saying is that Lauryn Hill is famed for being late everywhere.
I don't like that one.
So they say, that's not cool.
Yeah,
I
don't like that one. Skip past that one.
Our
that
album
one
they drop on time though. Oh.
What?
Oh.
No, I don't like that one. Day. Show me another one. You can't do Lauren like that. Oh, sure. Here we go. Count Dracula again.
3 votes.
Actually, he kind of looks like.
Don't do it.
I won't do it. I almost did it. Almost did it. Work with me. He kind of looks like.
Don't do it. No, man, the color different, man.
It's not about the color. It's about the facial features. Look at it. You don't see it. I see a resemblance.
Trump have a turmeric tint.
Me never say who.
You know, orange. You have a turmeric tint. mustard glow.
I ate a particular type of curry recently, As I said, that it kind of looked that way for true. All right.
No, that you tell look serious though.
Yeah, man. Voting results will be in shortly. Me, 9 a.m. Me 6. Still waiting. Still waiting.
No, but how trouble are you tell, man?
Listen, voting supposed to come in shortly. Heard that at 9 a.m. Then at 6 p.m. Still at 1 a.m. Nothing.
Every time I see that you tell.
No smiling.
The man just cross. Hangry.
That's your happy face, Craig.
That's not true. I'm not that bad. I've been told that once I'm not smiling, but look. Grim.
All right, we have 2 more.
But we have two more means.
All right, so the face you make when you're not sure your wife's voting for.
You the one look like him a copy of answer that test.
I might copy the person name too.
I'm a Scappy.
All right, let me see the next one. All right, Trump's second term, mail-in. No.
So the Game of Thrones fans will definitely understand.
Get it. I know quite a few of them.
Yeah, them never say like the thing is, the mail-in ballots really have changed the playing field still.
Yeah.
Them never say Arya coming.
No. Wow, you should probably create a meme then.
He didn't see it coming. He didn't see it because you catch him by surprise,
All right, so can you imagine the memes if it is that Trump loses? Me want to see those.
Those are already made, Them
put on and waiting.
Both sides, it's like championship games.
Yeah,
the 2 of them I always wonder, the team that lose the championship, what them do with the shirt them and the hat them or them print with them name on it.
Them keep them.
And do what?
And put them in a glass case
at
home, hoping that one day they will be able to wear them. Right? It's better to be prepared for an opportunity, right, and not have one than to have an opportunity and not be prepared.
So like a waste, how much youths out there would love a t-shirt and a cap. And then I go throw them where I burn them.
No, they couldn't do that. They
They have to dispose of
You
them.
can't just, wow.
They can't
waste.
distribute them, is a lie.
What a waste.
I'm
No,
saying.
sir. All right. Well,
Interesting.
next week we're going to have our audience back,
Awesome.
but not in person. Not yet. Actually, it's going to be via Zoom. Yes, we're using the technology. So you can look out for posts on Facebook and IG. We're going to explain just how you sign up to be a part of our Zoom audience for Daytime Live. Yes.
All right, so I have a couple of bad up shout outs.
boy.
The first one is coming from Davian, and he's the Swift specialist from Bert's Auto. Big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself, my general. Davian, I have two customers for sent to you. You hear me, G? Yeah, so just hold on a little bit. The next one is coming from Oliver. Oliver said he just want to big up Tony Ann and her son Zayden. He also wants to big up Principal Mr. Walker of Noah's Walker Early Childhood School at Anderson Road, Walton Park. Big up to the whole Walton Park crew, as a matter of fact. Big up Howard's Grocery, you don't know.
You sure you have
family
more?
stuff, family stuff.
Somewhere,
Big up Togila, you don't know.
And anybody else?
General, I forty people for big up. I get bad up all the time. You know.
I know you
them
do.
Them just when them see me.
Wait, Odessa wants to big up all the UK people who are in Jamaica right now.
Yeah.
So, and these UK people who are in Jamaica right now escaped the lockdown. Very happy to hear that. So Odessa is bigging you up. I just went tag on my big up for you too, since I don't really have none.
I have a special one who come in, you know.
Which one is that?
I have a special one
that just came in.
That just come in and missed the lockdown. Yeah. She named Bluet. Yeah. I'm a dude.
Bluet?
I'm a general that.
That's a nickname or?
Yeah, I'm a general that.
Okay.
That's Odessa's mother. This is the predecessor's mother.
Thank you, because my mind was going all sorts of other places. I'm very happy you cleared that up.
Behave. You can't behave.
No, I am behaving. But I was just telling you that it's a lot of things happening in my head.
Look how much time you did have to learn how to behave.
didn't
I would
happen.
expect you to be behaving by now.
You know what? Daytime Live will be right back with our chat topic. You know what the chat topic is?
I do.
You do? What's
do.
what's the chat topic? There's enough than sending a chat topic, yeah.
No, we tell them when we come back.
You're sure?
We don't want to prepare.
You don't want to be prepared.
We don't want them prepared.
I really would want you to be prepared, but since Craigie says no.
No.
As Craigie would say, we're so forward.
So forward.
Yeah, so forward.